have those days where you're like, I forgot to hit record? Yeah, that's happened today. But, guys, look, Ipsy came. Ipsy! Whoop whoop! Little itty bitty baby things. Okay, so in my Ipsy bag came markers. Yes, Color Me Cassie. I saw you open yours yesterday and I got the colors you wanted. I'm sorry. But I got them. So pink and blue markers. We're going to put these back in the bag because I'm going to color later. We have some balm from Glossier. This is in the color rosebalm.com. Hey, guess what? I said balm, right? Being from the Midwest, you say stuff like balm, rose balm, whatever. Balm, B-A-L-M. Yeah, and we got a lip liner from the company Contour. And the lip liner is in the color lip liner. Yeah, that's creative. We got a Sex Kitten eyeliner from Tarte. And this actually, guys, is half the size of a big one. Yay! And also, we got a brush from Beauty Basics. And it was clean when I got it, but because I've done this before. Oh, and I don't know if I told you guys this. I have vague memories of it. We got an eyeshadow single from the company INT. Look at that. Oh my God. Did you see that? Do you see that swatch? It's so pretty. Okay. Ow. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this off and get into the good stuff because Boxycharm. Yeah, okay. All right, so in my Boxycharm, first of all, the theme is vacation. I'm old. I don't know what a bay is. But that reminds me of vacation, so we're going to get down. And in my box, I got version, it says number 1, but I don't really care what version I get. I've got Butter London Mascara. Double decker, because you know London. And guys, I'm swimming in mascara, so we're not going to open it right now. Also, I've got the blush from Pretty Vulgar and Prim Vixen. Guys, look at this color. Okay, ignore the nail prints. Those are mine. Yeah, there you go. We're going to give that a shot. We got the Boxycharm and Pure Collab. I know. I was excited about it too. And here is what it looks like. Guys, I'm not going to swatch it all. That's a lot to swatch. But we're going to play with it on my eyes with these eyeshadow brushes from Vintage Cosmetic Company. Guys, we're going to get started here, okay? Let me go ahead and prime my eyeballs and we'll get started. I want to do something a little more fun and different, so I do have tape on my face. And let's go. Alright, I'm going to go in with my Motor Brush and set my eyes. No. I'm going in with an e.l.f. blending eye brush and setting my eyes, setting my primer with the color Perfect up here. I'll do it this way. Perfect. Okay. Alright, that's my primer has been set. Next, I'm going to go in with my Motor Brush here. And I am going to go in with the color Belle. So, yeah, so that's the, well, kind of the eye look I was going for. I'm going to go back in. And, let's put on a little eyeliner while I'm thinking of it. I'm going to use that Sex Kitten eyeliner from Tarte. Okay guys, maybe it's time to take off the tape and see how this looks. There it is. Whoa, that's actually the first time I've ever used tape on my eyes. So, hey, that's kind of fun. Alright, so there's my eye look. I used a little bit of everything, and we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna go in and let me put on some foundation and we'll get started. Okay guys, I'm back. And what I did is I just used up some tinted moisturizer that I have from last week, and I used some powder, some Dollar Tree pressed powder, and we're gonna just keep going. So the brush that we got from Ipsy is a contour brush. Here's my Wet n Wild contour thing. So guys, we have our blush from Pretty Vulgar in the color Vixen. So I'm going to go in with my handy dandy e.l.f. blush brush. It's quite pigmented, so if you do it, guys, I would highly suggest that you go in with a light hand. And yeah, so I got my contour, I have some blush, I have some, I gotta throw on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, my name's, you know who I am. I've just been talking to you. So I was filming my outro, I filmed my outro, but my extremely vocal puppy dog was saying hello to everyone. So you guys get to see me now, and hey, this is the finished look from the video. The computer's over there and I was just editing on it. So if you guys remember, if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, and comment below. So, and one last question, guys. What are you looking forward to most this spring? I know I can't wait to get my fingers in the dirt, which sounds weird, but I love to garden and get that started. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.